I have a 2015 MacBook Pro 15-inch, and I'm replacing the battery, but the battery that I'm using, it's a A1494 battery. So basically this battery is compatible with this year, but it has this piece that sticks out. You see this? It sticks out, so it doesn't let me connect this ribbon cable for the trackpad. So in order to do so, I peeled this little extra piece. So I peeled it from the top, opened it up. I even pulled this little piece out of it that goes across. So what I'm trying to show you guys is this battery is compatible, but you just have to remove this little piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and pry these other little pieces that's here, and then I'm gonna just leave enough so I could just glue it right over, right? So it'll be nice and flat. That way I could still be able to put this cable and put the case back on. So that's all you have to do. So do not be afraid to peel this off. Just leave a little piece. That way you can still glue it back, and this battery is compatible. So good luck.